What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. And by the title and the thumbnail, you already know we talking about a classic shoe, bro. These are fire, and we got another classic dropping in a few days also. But we talking about the Air Max Penny 1 in the light bone colorway. Without further ado, let's dive into the shoe. So you guys can see the box, Air Max Penny 1, size 13. This right here is pretty dope. Bring them out, bring them out. It's hard to get when the rail's in your mouth. So we got the Jordan. Look at me. I see the Jordan in the background. I'm about to call these Jordans. We got the Nike Air Max Penny 1 in the light bone colorway. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on these. The colorway is cool. Of course, on July 1st, as I said, these are supposed to drop on July 1st. But we also are getting the OGs. The OGs are coming right back. Again, this is my older pair, as you guys can see. I'm actually gonna be getting a new pair when they drop. I definitely want this OG colorway. But back to the light bone, I would love to know what you guys think about these overall. You know, Penny's is a shoe that's very classic. You can still hoop in these shoes. They got great specs on them, as well as Air Max Bubble on the back, one of the OG shoes. Let me know if you guys will be getting these to hoop or just for casual wear, because believe it or not, and you know, in my opinion, Pennies have now moved into one of them shoes that started off as a basketball shoe, but a lot of people wear them for casual wear. Let me know if you're somebody who hoops in Pennies or if you wear them for casual wear, of course, in the comment section below. You got this exaggerated suede all over the shoe, bro. You got the orange Nike swoosh right there. Suede all over the upper. You got like the black and white design inside the Nike swoosh there on the medial side or profile side of the shoe. Suede on the back panels. You got that lovely Penny logo in that light bone and black colorway. This one is kind of crazy, bro. It's like an off-white, obviously light bone. You know, we've been getting light bone Yeezys and all these other different shoes, so it's dope to see this for a hooping shoe, especially the Pennies. Can't wait till the OGs come out. But anyway, man, these are dope. 1 to 10 scale. You got like, look at the quality on the tongue right there. That's suede right there too. It feels like it's a premium Penny, you know? It retails for $160. It feels like the materials used on here, you could charge even more for that. You know what I mean? No 3M on it. Sometimes you get 3M around the lining, but that's all materials. I like these shoes. If I had to give them a rating from 1 to 10, I give these a solid 8.5, 9. You know, you got the off-white and gray outsole, which also adds another touch to the shoe. Let me know, man. Like I said, these are more classic shoes. I'm not sure how many of the newer sneakerheads would like these, but I definitely know some of the OGs would definitely appreciate these shoes. 1 to 10 scale, give me your thoughts. Like I said, not too much to say about these besides fire. Nike Air Max Penny 1 in the light bone colorway. And also, you know, before we get out of here, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of some of my other Pennies. You know, people want to know something about my collections and stuff like that. So I just want to know, out of the Pennies that I have in front of you. So another one that I have is the I just wore these the other day. I gotta clean them again, bro. Definitely gotta clean these again. You guys can see my air bubble. That's how old these are. If you look these up, they are going for a pretty penny, brand new. These are not brand new, obviously, but this is the Air Max Penny 1 in the New York Knicks colorway. Super fire. I love these shoes, man. Penny's one of those guys, man, since I was a kid that I like this game, and the shoes he came out with was fire. As you guys know, I have a lot of foam posits also, but this Air Max Penny 1 Knicks colorway is also fire. Another colorway that I also own for the Air Max Penny 1 is this glow in the dark one. I forgot the actual name of this one. If you guys know that, comment it down below. Pennies, man. Penny's shoes are dope. 160 is not too bad. 230, like 235 for the foam pods, a little bit different. But 160 for these, you can't go wrong with. This has a glow in the dark outsole. I believe this doesn't glow, but the outsole does glow in the dark. Very dope features on here. Got the you guys see that 1 cent on the back. My air bubble on this one's still pretty much intact. I got to do some restorations on my Knicks though. Get that light blow dryer and see if we can get this oxidation back or get this fog out of here. You know what I mean? Because that looks terrible. I knew that was the case, but I forgot about it. And when I wore them the other day, it is what it is. Still love the shoe. And then of course we got the OG that started it all, the classic colorway. This one is fire. This one's also dropping July 1st this year, 2022. I'm sure a lot of people out there will be going after these. Definitely got to clean these shoes, but we got the new ones coming, bro. I'm super happy about that. But this video was about the light bones. Let's not get it twisted. It was about the light bones. So let me know, of the Penny Air Max 1s, which colorway do you guys like the most overall? Not just the ones that I have here in the video, but let me know what colorway is your favorite Air Max Penny 1. Will you guys be going after the OGs that drop on July 1st? As I'm looking at these shoes a little bit more, man, I'm slipping, bro. Look at the leather quality on this shoe. Leather quality on this shoe. You got the great quality suede on this shoe. I had to zoom in real close so y'all could see that. Hopefully it's not messing y'all eyes up or anything. Crazy details on here. I didn't even, I just glossed over that leather. Like, look at this. Yeah, this is a premium Penny Hardaway shoe. That's why I mean, I'm surprised it's 160, but hey, if it's 160, I love it, bro. Will this be an outlet special? It's very possible. You know, this is like an OG shoe. Most people, newer sneakerheads, might not respect this shoe. They might like that original colorway, but this light bone, I'm not too sure. Once again, I'm out of here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy Bossco. I'm out. Deuces.